Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have Pages installed and your assets ready. Now start. Open Pages, choose a book template or a blank document tailored to print or EPUB. This sets margins and facing pages so your layout behaves predictably. Once you pick size and orientation, import your manuscript using copy-paste or file open. Make sure text flows into body styles. Apply a consistent heading and body style early, because Pages uses styles to build the table of contents, and keep formatting reliable as you continue. Now focus on structure and visual rhythm. Apply paragraph and character styles to each chapter title and body text so Pages recognizes them for automatic TOC and consistent spacing. Insert images as anchored objects, set text wrap, and check resolution for print. Once done, adjust alignment and bleed if needed. Use section breaks to separate front matter, chapters, and back matter. Add headers, footers, and page numbers across sections. This keeps running heads accurate and makes final export predictable. Finish by exporting and proofing. Choose EPUB for ebook distribution or PDF for print. Set image quality and ensure fonts are embedded. Proof on actual target devices and in preview. Check TOC links, images, hyphenation, and page breaks. If something goes wrong, reapply the correct paragraph styles and rebuild the table of contents, because inconsistent styles are the usual culprit. Otherwise, restore from a recent Pages version or use file revert to recover a stable copy before repeating the final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.